Okay, here we go.
Okay, so if you can point the camera over here, right? I have two leads coming out of the power supply. Positive goes over to here. Power is directed two ways, one through two resistors, an LED, then through the reed switch. The other comes through here and goes right into the transistor where the LEDs and the reed switch come back in. Those both come into these two terminals, and when the reed switch is on, the third terminal puts power out through the electromagnet, which then goes to ground. Let's test. 12 volts on. Ooh, smells like burning, but that was 3709 divided by 2, or 2000. All right, 3709 divided by 2.